Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, La Cocina Abierta. Today, I'm going to show you how I make crisp fried tacos with potato and cheese, my style. I remember back then when my mom made us this recipe. The aroma of tomato and onion and garlic throughout the house. A very comforting aroma today. Beautiful memories of the stew of my mom and my grandma. Without further delay, let's get to it. The ingredients we are going to use today are 2 potatoes, 1 tomato, 1/4 onion, 1 clove of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 cups of pepper jack and grated cheddar cheese, and finally a dozen warm tortillas. In a pot of boiling water, we will add the potatoes, cut into quarters, I am now going to add the half teaspoon of salt, then cover it up and let it cook until the potato is tender when a fork is inserted. In a hot pan with oil, I will add my chopped onion, then my chopped tomato and garlic, and I will saute over medium heat until everything is smooth and the onion becomes translucent. Meanwhile, the tomato, onion, and garlic are cooking. I will see if my potatoes are soft while I insert a fork. After 3 or 5 minutes later, I am ready to add the potatoes to my tomato and onion mix and then mash them. And I am going to mix everything together. Now we are ready to assemble the tacos and put them in a pan with hot oil. First, I'll spread some potatoes in 1/2 of the tortilla. Then I will complete it with the cheese mixture and bring the other half of the tortilla and close it. I will continue the same process with all my tacos until I am done. When the tortilla has browned, I will flip it over and then let it brown on the other side too. After the tacos are golden brown on both sides, I will put them on a clean paper towel to help drain some of the excess oil from the tacos. And here you have it. The tacos are ready, so we can add our toppings. I like to put shredded cabbage on my tacos, but if you would like to put some lettuce, that would be fine. I also add some sliced tomatoes, sour cream, and a touch of my favorite hot sauce from Yahualica, Jalisco. There it is, a delicious, simple, and easy meal on a day when you might not want to eat meat, such as Meatless Monday. I hope you try this recipe, and if you did, take a photo and post it on my Instagram or Facebook page so I can show it on my next video. The link is located below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share my channel. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and until next time, buen provecho.